Hello, welcome back everybody. In this video we are going to talk about TP4056 module. This module used to charge lithium ion battery. However, there are different types of lithium ion battery charger modules are available. Overcharge protection and over discharge protection. Today in this video we are going to discuss about features comes with the over discharge protection. Okay, now we are going to learn this module with 4 steps. At first we are going to learn introduction, then features, ICs, and finally we are going to build the circuit. What is mean by overcharge protection and over discharge protection? If your lithium ion batteries are overcharged or over discharged, it will affect the battery and it causes to reduce the lifetime of battery. Okay, now let's look overcharge protection. Overcharge protection means protect the battery from overcharging. That means the circuit monitor voltage of lithium ion battery and disconnect the load. Over discharge protection means protect the battery from over discharging. This type of module protect the battery from deep discharge when the battery voltage drop down. Now let's discuss about TP4056 features. This is a TP4056 over discharge protection module. Here you can see this is the IC TP4056. And the features of this module is this module can handle up to 1000 milliamps of current and it provides constant current and constant voltage. This module comes with the USB port. That means you can power the module with the USB cable. And some other features of this module is it can protect the battery from overcurrent and over voltage. And this module also comes with two LEDs, one's for LED charge indication and full charge indication. And you can control the output charging current of the module by changing the resistor showing the below chart. 10k ohms for 130 milliamps, 5k ohms for 250 amps, likewise 1.2k ohm for 100 milliamps. Okay, now let's discuss about DW01A IC. It is a battery protector IC. This board contains a battery protection chip, but it's not used properly, so it only provides short circuit protection and overcurrent protection. And the features of this IC is overcurrent detector and short circuit detector, charger detector and reverse charger detection. And the next IC we are going to see 8205A. This is a dual MOSFET. This 8205A series is suitable for protecting the lithium ion rechargeable battery pack from overcharge or over discharge and overcurrent. The module comes with the two LEDs for indication purpose. Here red LED indicating the battery is charging and the green or blue LED indicating the battery is fully charged. Okay, now let's look at how to connect the battery to this module. Here the output voltage 4 to 5 volt and the current 1 ampere. You can see the B minus and B plus. Your B minus means the negative and B plus is positive. So connect the B minus to negative of the battery and B plus to positive of the battery. And the application of this module is you can use this module to make solar power banks and also for electronic